there is a mealy machine, and we can prove it by using constructive algorithm. As you know, in mealy machine the output is written inside the states here, but in mealy machine the output is written on the edges. So simply what we will do, we will remove the output from here and move it to here like this. So it will become the mealy machine. So let's see an example. Here we have to convert this into a mealy machine. So very simple. This is state Q0, and then this is A moving here, and this Q1 has output 1. So instead of writing output here, we will write the output here. And similarly here Q2 has output of 0. So instead of writing output here, we will write the output here with B 0. And here you can see A goes back to Q2. So A goes back to here. Again we will write output with A 0. And this B comes here. So B will also have output at 0. Then we have this Q3. And output is 1, so we will write the output on the edges. So this edge will have output 1, this edge of A and B will have output 1, and this B edge will have output 1. So this is the equivalent mealy machine. So this is you can say clean picture of this. So that's it.